Hello everyone, hope all of you are doing well. And in today's class, we will be doing on the topic picture composition. So from this word picture, we understand that it deals with any types of pictures. Picture composition or framing sentences looking at a given picture or a set of pictures. That is what we call picture composition. But we should know the rules before we solve these type of exercises. So what are those? Number one, observe. Okay, keep this in mind, students. Number one is observe. It starts with the alphabet O. Number two, point out and identify. Point out and identify. It starts with alphabet P. Okay, number one is observe. Number two, point out and identify. Number three, frame sentences. Number three, frame sentences. It starts with alphabet F. And number four, check errors. Number four, check errors. So there are 4 points. Okay, O, P, F, C. Just remember that. Keep that in mind. O, P, F, C. Okay. So when you solve any picture composition, you should remember or follow these 4 rules. Okay, when you follow these 4 rules, that means you will solve any types of picture composition correctly. That means you will be able to do any picture composition. Okay, so let us look at this picture. Remember the rules? O, P, F, C. The first rule is observe. The second one is P. Point out and identify. Point out and identify. Okay, O, P, F. The third one is F. Frame sentences. Frame sentences. And the last one is C. OPFC. See? Check errors. Check errors. So students, please remember these 4 rules. Okay? Observe, point out and identify, frame sentences and check errors. So once you had observed, you have to point out and identify which object, how many children are there. Okay, and then the third one is frame sentences. So let us start with the first one. This is a picture of a playground. That is the first sentence. The second one, have you observed? There are 5 children playing in the playground. Do you see, students? The children are playing in the playground. The next point, point number 3, there are 3 trees. Number 4, a boy is standing on the slide. Number 5, a little girl is crawling on the ground. Number 6, a boy is playing on the trampoline. And number 7, all are playing happily. So students, you have used all the 3 rules. O, P, F. And the last one is check errors. You have observe, you have point out and identify, you have frame sentences, and now you will have to check the errors. It should start with the capital letters and end with a full stop. And check there should not be any errors. So before we stop, students, let us recall again what is rule number 1, O. Observe. Number 2, P. Point out and identify. Number 3, F. frame sentences, and number 4, check errors. So don't forget OPFC. So hope you are clear, students. We will stop here for today. Thank you and have a nice day.